Okay, good morning. This morning I'm going to show you how to fill up this Geek bar. Is this a vape machine? Okay, this is quite easy. I think this is a yellow color peach mint iced tea. So this is, you just grab this thing and you open it. You can see in the bottom is the USB charger and with a little LED, and there's the air intake. Comes out very easy actually. Now inside here is just a seal, and then you take a small screwdriver or something, and then you just go and push it here in the back, then the whole thing comes out. Then you can just take a cloth and just clean it. Some of the residue is still inside here, and you can clean it there. Okay, now what you're gonna do is, you can see here's the sponge that holds the fluid, and there's your battery, lithium battery, and there's another piece of cloth just to pick up any residue that should leak maybe inside there. Then here's your PCB, and there's a little vacuum device that when you pull, then it switches on the element. So, and there's a small LED on it, so just to, you can see if it's on here. So very plain. But let's just, then you open here, you can see you can open here. So in here, if you just need to put in some, we take some of these things, and you can, it's like a slot. You can just go and you can add some of these stuff. Till you start messing here, look like me. We can put it, some of them on the top. Just plug this in here. See, now you can drip this from the top, also it will siphon, or you can take a a small screwdriver or something and just open a cavity there, and you just put in there. There's just more ways to fold this. It will suck it in by itself. Don't overfill it, then it will start leaking. See, that will go into the other areas now. Just give you some time, and then okay, then you can just clean up your mess, and then you just put it back. You see the LED sits there. This is the small round hole there in the back, and you're gonna push this back in there, and then you can just plug this thing back in, and there's your machine. It's quite easy to, I think you can fill up once or twice, and then put some fluid in, and then you're ready to go. The battery will last. It's just all about the element inside it. It kind of get a burnt taste, and I'm not sure if you have fully charged this unit is, and I think the battery may be flat. Okay, let's just get a pipe here and demonstrate. See, we can suck some air in here. As I know, there's some juice in there. It will I'm just going to put off this light here, and then you can see there in the bottom where the light comes on. There's a small light there, I don't know if you can see it. And it's off. Okay, that's all from my side this morning for a Geek bar. It's actually very nice and small, and it's cheap. Okay, till next time, cheers.